In recent years, the rise of affordable at-home cosmetic dental products has opened the door for consumers seeking alternatives to costly dental procedures. Among these products is the Hidone Denture Set, a temporary molded home denture kit widely advertised across social media platforms and online marketplaces. With promises of a perfect smile in minutes and thousands of seemingly positive reviews, the product has attracted significant attention. However, many consumers have begun to question the legitimacy of these reviews and overall trustworthiness of the product. This essay examines whether the reviews surrounding the Hidone Denture Set constitute a scam and what potential buyers should be aware of before making a purchase. Understanding the product. The Hidone Denture Set is marketed as an inexpensive solution for people who are missing teeth or want to improve their smile temporarily. Unlike traditional dentures that require dental impressions and fittings, the Hidone Set comes with moldable plastic materials and can be shaped at home using warm water. This DIY approach appeals to those looking for convenience, privacy, and affordability. According to its advertising, the product can improve appearance quickly and is safe to use without professional assistance. The role of online reviews. Online reviews play a crucial role in shaping consumer decisions. In the case of Hidone Denture Set, a quick search reveals hundreds, sometimes thousands of positive reviews on retail websites, YouTube, and social media. These reviews often include impressive before and after photos, enthusiastic praise, and promises of boosted confidence. However, a closer inspection reveals some troubling patterns. Many of these reviews lack specificity, use repetitive language, or appear to have posted by unverified users. The same phrases and images often appear across different platforms, raising suspicion that the reviews may not be genuine. Fake reviews, which is a common marketing tactic. The presence of misleading or fake reviews is not unique to Hidone, but is part of a broader trend in online marketing. Sellers may use third-party services or bots to flood their product pages with 5-star reviews, making it difficult for consumers to gauge the actual quality of the product. In some cases, companies offer discounts or free products in exchange for positive feedback, thereby distorting the product's rating. When real users post critical or honest reviews, they are sometimes filtered out, hidden, or buried under fake testimonials. In the case of the Hidone Denture Set, the manipulation creates an environment where the product seems more effective than it actually is. Real user experiences. Despite the flood of positive reviews, many users have shared disappointing experiences with the Hidone Denture Set. Common complaints include difficulty fitting the dentures properly, discomfort when wearing them, and an unnatural appearance. Because the product lacks professional customization, it often does not fit securely and may fall out easily. Some users have also reported issues with customer service, such as unresponsive support, unclear return policies, or delays in shipping. These reports contrast sharply with the overly positive online testimonials, further reinforcing the suspicions that many reviews are misleading. To determine whether the Hidone Denture Set review landscape constitutes a scam, it is important to differentiate between the product itself and the marketing tactics used to sell it. The product, while limited in function and quality, does exist and may offer some cosmetic benefit in specific short-term scenarios. However, the way it is presented online, particularly through manipulated or fake reviews, is deceptive. In an era dominated by e-commerce and user-generated content, critical thinking is more important than ever. When it comes to health-related products, especially those involving personal appearance, consumers should not rely solely on promotional materials. Instead, informed decision-making based on a wide range of sources is essential to avoid disappointment or, even worse, being misled. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.